Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Equitas bank account online on our PC, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into Equitas bank account online on our PC, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address equitasbank.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Equitas. Now let's close this. Now in order to log into your Equitas bank account, from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the login button available over here for us just beside the open self account. Now in order to log into the Equitas bank account, click on the login button and choose your account type as personal, business, fast tag, prepaid card, which is your one. For us it's the personal one, so let's click on the personal one and let's let it load. And over here guys, at the right side of the screen, you can see there is the user ID and the password option. Over here you'll be required to enter your user ID of your Equitas bank account, whichever may it be, and have that enter your password over here guys, which you had registered on Equitas bank account at the time of creating your account. And after doing that guys, you'll be required to enter your captcha over here, which is this digit number guys, for your verification that you're a human and not a robot. Enter your captcha just like which is on your picture, and this over here it says my captcha number is 70285. It may be something else for you. And with that being said guys, after entering your login, your username, your password and your captcha, you can log into your Equitas bank account by clicking on the login button available over here. But if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you'll be always able to retrieve it from over here where it says the user ID and password. Forgot user ID and password, if you can click on either one of these to retrieve whichever you have lost, either your user ID and password, by going to a retrieval page. And with that being said guys, after entering your user ID, your username and your password and your captcha ID, click on login, and then you'll be signed into your Equitas bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into your Equitas bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.